Tour this beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bath Tudor-style home perfectly situated on a pond and golf course within the Bridgewater Golf Community. Upon entering the foyer, you're greeted by high ceilings, open living spaces, and ample windows offering an abundance of natural light and displaying a panoramic view of the pond and golf course. The spacious master bedroom suite is located at the rear of the home, offering privacy and taking advantage of more pond views, which can be enjoyed from the comfort of your own bed. The ensuite bathroom has a twin sink vanity, a large tiled shower with glass door, and a generously sized walk-in closet. This home offers 2 additional bedrooms, full baths, and a spacious loft for multi-use space on the upper level. The open concept main living area has plenty of space for entertaining and boasts a masonry-faced gas fireplace and wraparound mantel. The stunning kitchen has plenty of storage and countertop space, outfitted with granite countertops, a large center island, and separate dining area for you to enjoy sharing meals with those you love. The laundry room is just off of the kitchen before the garage and has plenty of storage to be utilized. Find your community in Bridgewater. Call Emily Ganshorn to learn more.